Hi everyone. Today we are going to continue our lessons on air travel in history. So we've discussed two different sections so far. We've discussed air travel in a plane, in an airplane, and we've also discussed air travel in a hot air balloon. So today we're going to look at both of them again as revision. And once we've done that, we're going to answer questions about what we have just gone over. So first of all, what is an aircraft and what is a pilot? So an aircraft is a machine that can fly through the air. So that would be anything like we said, an airplane, a hot air balloon. It could be a space shuttle. It could be a helicopter. Okay, so any machine that can fly through the air. And then we have a pilot. So a pilot is a person who can fly the aircraft. So a hot air balloon needs a pilot, so does an aeroplane. A helicopter would also need a pilot. Okay, so when we spoke about the hot air balloon, we spoke about the two brothers. So the two brothers were named Joseph and Etienne Montgolfier, and remember they invented the hot air balloon. They noticed that hot air rises. So they decided to make a large balloon out of paper and cloth. They lit a fire under the balloon to make the air inside of the balloon hot. The brothers then decided to put a duck, a rooster, and a sheep into a basket, and they attached that to the hot air balloon. And on the 21st of November, 1783, two men flew over the city of Paris for over 25 minutes and traveled 10 kilometers. Okay, so remember we discussed this a while back. They had basically two different trial runs. They had the animals, so they did the animals first. They put them all in the hot air balloon first to see if they could, if it would work to have passengers. And then after that, they tested it with two men who decided to do it. And the hot air balloon was a success. So they now do it even in today's world. They still do it, and you can go up in a hot air balloon. So something that happened years and years ago still exists today, and you can still do it today. Another thing that still exists today, and we've discussed this before, are aeroplanes. So the Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. So their names were Orville and Wilbur Wright. They were American brothers who invented the aeroplane. They built a biplane, so that is a type of plane, and it's an aeroplane with two sets of wings. So the planes that we have today, how many sets of wings do they have? On the 17th of December 1903, the brothers were ready to test their plane. Orville was the pilot and Wilbur stayed on the ground. The plane flew for only 12 seconds and went 3 meters above the ground. And that was their success. So, today we've just done a little quick revision of everything, of what we've discussed over the past couple of weeks. Today we are going to do this activity as well, and I will post it up onto Class Dojo for you guys to see it, and then you can answer the questions in your books, and then Yes, next week we are going to move on to space. So that's really exciting um, as well. Okay. If you guys have any questions, you are more than welcome to send me a message and I will reply either maybe by video or I can just pop you a message. Bye, guys.